You know your PCP is the first doctor you should call when you feel sick, but it's not urgent. But what about when you can't get to your PCP? Well, one great option is BCBSRI's Doctors Online. It's an app where you can video chat with a real doctor 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's a ton of great doctors for you to choose from, and you can search based on your preferences. It's great for non-emergency health issues like coughs, rashes and irritations, and all sorts of aches and pains. And the average Doctors Online visit takes about 10 minutes. Doctors Online from Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Rhode Island, it's like having a doctor's office in the palm of your hand. Why not set it up now so it's ready if you need it? To get started, download the app for free by searching for Doctors Online in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Or visit us at doctorsonline.com. For more videos like these, be sure to like, subscribe, or go to roadahead.com/unboxing.